Hi, my name is Kelly, and welcome back to my channel. I am an EFT master practitioner and author of the young adult fantasy series, Agents of Karma. And on this channel, I teach you all things tapping. Do you often compare yourself to others and feel jealous, wondering why their life is so much better than yours? Maybe you're wishing you were prettier like they are, more handsome, more successful, had more connections. If only you could be like them. No shame if you have. I have totally done it. We're only human. But here's the harsh truth. Comparing yourself to others will negatively affect your life and your manifestation journey. And here's why. When you focus on what other people have and pangs of jealousy naturally arise, what the unbiased universe hears is that you don't have this or that. And what the universe will do in return is to bring you more of what you're focusing on, which is lack, i.e., not having this or that. And the vicious cycle of not having and manifesting more of nothing continues. So all the attention and focus and energy that should be on you and manifesting whatever your dreams may be are now in the object of your jealousy. So you get what I'm saying. But with the help of EFT tapping, I'm going to pull you out of that place of comparison and jealousy, change your perspective, and get you feeling positive, grateful, and most importantly, focusing on you and your journey and nobody else's. So today's tapping script, as usual, is generic. And if you have someone in particular that you often compare yourself to, just put their name in the script. It really does help. And also, if you want a private one-on-one session, please contact me. The information is down below, and I look forward to working with you. Okay, so we're going to start. Go to the side of the hand. Everyone should know the drill by now. If you're new, just like a game assignment says, repeat what I say and tap where I tell you to tap. Okay, side of hand. Even though I wish my life was like theirs, where I didn't have to struggle, and everything came so easily for me, I choose to forgive myself for feeling jealous because I'm only human. Even though I wish I was pretty or handsome and rich like them, because then life would be so much easier. I choose to honor how I feel in this moment. Even though I wish I had the same connections they do and lived in a luxurious home and had a successful career and had money, but I don't. And every day is a struggle to make ends meet. I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and forgive myself for feeling this way. So we're going to go to the eyebrow. You could tap on both sides like this, or one side. The body is a mirror. For the sake of this video, I'm tapping on one side, okay? So we're going to the eyebrow. All this jealousy. Side of the eye. I wish I had what they have. Why can't my life be easy like theirs? Life is so not fair. Under the eye. Why can't my life be easy like theirs? Under the nose. Why does everything come so naturally and effortless for them when everything in my life feels like a struggle? I can never get ahead. Chin. If only I were rich and well connected like them, or prettier or more handsome like them, then I'd have it easier. Collarbone. They must know all the right people, and they just get favors all the time. But not me. I have to do everything on my own without any help. Under the arm. They don't even put any effort into what they do. And it still doesn't matter. They're still more successful than I'll ever be. Wrists. They have all the right connections. But not me. I don't have any help. Top of the head. Life isn't fair. Why do other people get what I want, but not me? Eyebrow. Why do other people get to manifest their dreams and have what I want, but not me? Side of the eye. I don't ever get to have what I want, but not them. They flow through life with such ease and get whatever they want. Under the eye. Relationships, money, success, wealth, happiness. They attract it all, but not me. And I hate it. Under the nose. I hate it that I'm here struggling and they aren't. And they manifest whatever they want so effortlessly. If only I could be like them and have what they have. Chin. What if I can? Collarbone. But I don't have what they have. Under the arm. But what if I could? And all it took was for me to stop focusing my energy on them and put it on myself. Wrists. But that doesn't change anything. I wish I was like them. Top of the head. Focusing on strangers is definitely more important than focusing on me. Eyebrow. I would gladly hinder manifesting my dreams so that I could put all my energy and focus on strangers, because that's what's important. Side of the eye. Wait a second. No, I don't want to do that. What I'm saying is I want what they have. Under the eye. Logically, I know that the universe brings me whatever I put my attention and focus on, and whatever I believe is true. Under the nose. So if I'm constantly focusing on everyone but me and saying I wish I had what they had, then what I'm actively telling the universe is that I don't have what I want. So the universe continues to bring me just that. Nothing. Chin. When I should be living from the end, I should be focusing on already having exactly what my heart desires and not worrying about other people. Collarbone. So every time I entertain jealousy and direct it toward another, I'm actually harming myself and interfering in my dreams manifesting. And I'm telling the universe I don't have what I want. Under the arm. Those people I've been jealous of are not worth me staying in a jealous place. They certainly wouldn't do that for me. Wrists. I don't want to interfere with my dreams manifesting. Top of the head. So what do I do? And how do I change that? Eyebrow. I need to let go of the jealousy and put the focus and attention back on me and remind myself that every time I compare myself to others and feel jealous, what I'm really saying is I don't have, I'm not. Side of the eye. I don't want to compare myself to anyone. Under the eye. I want to focus on me and manifesting my dreams. Under the nose. I matter. My dreams matter. I'm ready to put all my attention and focus and energy on myself. Chin. I let go of the jealousy and choose to not give a bleep about anyone else, because the alternative is never manifesting my dreams and staying in a place of lack. And I do not want that. Collarbone. Good for them for manifesting their dream life. It means I can do the same thing too. They have contacts. Perhaps they manifested them, which means I can too. Under the arm. I release all the jealousy. And from today forward, it's all about me and focusing on my life and my dreams. I matter. I'm important. Wrists. I take back my energy. It's all mine. and I put it on myself because I matter. Top of the head. I choose to live from the end, and I choose to see and feel myself living the life I've always wanted because I deserve the best. I matter. Eyebrow. This is the last round. I choose to be thankful for today because today I took back my energy and put myself first. Side of the eye. I choose to be filled with gratitude and excitement. Under the eye. I'm living for me, and I'm ready to focus on me and bringing my dreams to life. Under the nose. I'm so grateful that I'm focusing on me and my dreams. Chin. I choose to feel the excitement and joy of living the life of my dreams. And I release the jealousy from every fiber of my being. Collarbone. Jealousy is not welcome in my life. In fact, when I see people having something, and in the past I would have gotten jealous, now I realize I can have it too. Under the arm. So thank you, all those people I used to be jealous over. I now realize I can have what you have too, if I want. Wrists. I feel excited and grateful. Top of the head. From here on out, I am living for me and focusing on me and my life and my dreams because I matter and I deserve to be happy. Okay, press down for me, taking a deep breath. Now hold for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Good job. From here on out, anytime you feel pangs of jealousy, I want you to remind yourself that what you're actually telling the universe is that you don't have. So then I want you to pivot and rewrite the script. Whatever that jealousy is directed towards, whoever it's directed towards, and what it is that you want, whether it be a relationship you wish you had, a career, connections, the money, you name it, you have it too, if you want it. So you deserve to be happy, and you can if you allow yourself. So I'll see you soon, and happy manifesting. Thanks for watching.